Welcome to MooMooMath and Science. In this video, let's go over the steps for converting this fraction into a decimal. So let's get started. In order to convert a fraction to a decimal, you just divide the numerator by the denominator. So let's do that. Let's go ahead and write 4 here, and it's going to be divided by 32. I already know that 32 is larger than 4, so I'm going to have to add some zeros, some placeholders, and then we'll just follow normal division. I'm also going to go ahead and just move the decimal point there. Okay, 32 is larger than 4, so it's going to move to the next number, which is 0. So I'm going to go 40 divided by 32. Well, if you multiply 32 times 1, that gives you 32. Now I subtract 40 minus 32 is 8, and I bring down this 0. Now 32 goes into 8 2 times. 2 times 32 is 64, and 80 minus 64 is 16. Again, I bring down the 0. 32 goes into 165 times. 5 times 32 is 160. When I subtract, I get zeros. So there is 4 32nds as a decimal, and it's 125 thousandths. I hope that was helpful.